Hey there, today we're going to look at how to add music in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. First, choose a source to download music. Over here, if you're creating a video for YouTube, go to YouTube, click your channel icon, then go to YouTube Studio. After that, scroll down to Audio Library, then preview and download the music you like. If you're not using YouTube, go to pixelbay.com and search for royalty free music. Over here, you can browse by category, mood, or popularity, then download a track to your computer. You can also search Google for other royalty free music sources or use paid services like Epidemic Sound. After that, open your Premiere Pro project. Then open File Explorer, locate your downloaded music file, and drag it onto an audio track in the timeline. Over here, you can trim the start and end of the music to fit your video. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next